USB-C. As more peripherals are required for laptops, the number of connected cables continues to increase. But now, all you need is just a USB-C cable. With USB-C, you can charge not only your smartphone, but also even your notebook that requires up to 60 watts high output. A USB-C cable can also exchange external storage data, which previously required a USB up cable. Finally, a USB-C cable substitutes an HDMI cable needed to extend and duplicate a notebook screen. In a nutshell, from multi-displaying to charging mobile devices to transferring 4K video data, you don't need to care about HDMI, power, and USB up cables at all. Here, you have just one USB-C cable. Thus, life is getting much simpler with USB-C.